In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to hang a piece of crown molding by yourself. One of the first challenges for hanging crowns that I see a lot of people, including professionals, have a hard time to get the crown in the right position. One of the little tricks I like to do is take a little piece of the scrap crown before I even start to hang it and hold it up to the ceiling. That way I can see exactly how high it needs to be. It's real easy when you have a little piece to look in there sideways and make sure that it's perfectly flat. Just make you a little line. And you can do that around the room, and that's going to help you a lot. I just like to get one right in the center because that's where I'm going to start nailing my piece. Take a nail, and again I like to figure out exactly where my crown's going to be on the bottom of the crown. Once you know how tall the crown's going to be, where it's going to sit like that, then you can just take your nail and I'll put it a little bit below that. That way that there's a little play, it's not too tight. And I just tap myself a little nail in the wall. And that nail is going to hold that into the crown mold for me. Get your piece up here. Like I said, I use that nail to hold one side for me. Then I get the crown mold to the bottom of the line just like that, where I know it needs to be. And you get it. Got one home before I nail it. And I want to make sure. It's kind of hard to see. Let me check myself. We'll just tack it. Before I get too many pieces in there, and you can see just a couple of nails. It's just gonna. I just got it low tacked. But right now, it's gonna hold it here until I check it. I want to make sure that I'm in the right position. And that I'm not too far one way or another. It's a little short on this end, which is fine. The cope is going to be on this side. I just trying to hide it. And then this end is perfect. So I just cheated because what I did was I subtracted an eighth of an inch off the measurement. That way the piece is going to fit real easy. And this piece is ready to go. It's perfect. So, with the nailing crown, what I like to do, and especially if you don't have a lot of experience hanging crowns, what you want to do is nail it in the center and leave the ends of the piece of crown loose. That way when you come in with the other piece, you can line the two pieces up together and then nail it. And then that way that it looks perfect. And again, like I said, what you want to do, make sure you keep that piece of crown flat. And you don't want to turn it too much, because you can. If you twist it too much, then your crown's going to be twisting and turning across the room. You want to keep it as straight as you can. And like I said, that's really all you need to do. So I've left one end of the piece of crown mold loose. That way I can line the two pieces up perfectly when I put it together. Now this end here is just cut square. This end here, I've coped this end so that the two pieces will fit together properly. And what you want to do when you start nailing this piece is start nailing right here on this corner. Like I said, I put a nail in this side at the bottom of the crown where I know it's going to go, and I'll just stick my piece of crown mold on top of the nail there, and it's gonna hold that end up there for me.
While I get the piece up here. Once I get it in position here. Like I say, you want to make sure that the bottom of the crown and the top line up together. And if you get it up here properly, there's going to be almost no cracks.